Hi all. Today let's see how we can create Vue.js micro frontends using single spa. So here I am going to make use of the CLI create single spa. So in case it is already installed globally, you can use it directly, or you can use the command npx create single spa. So it's asking for the directory. So I am giving as Vue micro app. So initially we need to create the single spa root config so that we can embed the Vue.js micro app within our container application. That is the root config. I am selecting npm. I am not using TypeScript, but I am using the single spa layout engine. And here the organization name I have given as app. So the single spa root config has been created. So let's open it up using VS Code. So here you can see that our root config is created. Now let's create a Vue.js application. So again, I am making use of the create single spa. So initially I am going to create a Vue3 app. So here I am selecting the single spa application, framework as Vue, organization name app. So the Vue CLA has been activated. So now I am going to select Vue3. So our Vue3 application has been created. Now let's open the folder. And if we go to the Vue3 app, you can see that our Vue3 app has been created. And you can see that the command for building the application is also provided in the package.json. So let's go ahead and build the app. So I am going to run the npm run build. So our application has been built. So if we go here, the dist folder has been created. Now I am going to serve this folder. So I am making use of the HTTP server, and I am going to use the port 8001 and enabling the course. So now let's go to our root application, and here in the index.ejs, let's add an entry for our new application. And also I am removing the default application. So here I am giving the name as Vue3 app, and I am giving the server as 8001, and the path will be js/app. So we have a hash here which we need to update every time. So I'll fix that in a moment. So the application which we have defined here, I will add in the default root as well, so that it will be loaded by default. Now let's come back to the main folder, that is the root config, and let's see what's the command to start up the server. So we can use the npm start. So our root application is up and running. So let's open it up in the localhost 9000. So now you can see that there is an actually error which is being displayed here. So this is because by default, the output which is generated by Vue, it does not support the Systemjs loading. So since in our root application we are making use of Systemjs to load the Vue application, it is failing. So we need to make some modifications within our Vue configuration, that is vueconfig.js. So here I am going to add this configuration. So here what I have given is that I have added a key called configure webpack. There I have provided the output library target to be system so that our Systemjs will be able to load the Vue application. And also I am naming the file as app.js so that every time I need not go and change the hash. So these are the changes I have made. Now let's build our application one more time. So I am going inside the Vue application and I am running npm run build. So our Vue3 application is built, and here in the dist folder you can see that the created file name is app.js. So now let's refresh our root application, and now you can see that our Vue3 application is getting loaded, but still some error is there that is related to the CSP we have given here. This is a content security policy. So here I am going to add an image source. So once we have added that, let's refresh our application. Now you can see that no errors are there and our Vue3 application is getting loaded in the default path. Now let's create a Vue2 application and try to embed it within our root config. For creating the Vue2 app, again I am making use of the singles path, and here I am giving the directory name as Vue2 app, selecting the application, type Vue, organization name as app. So here I am going to select the Vue2. So our Vue2 application has also been created successfully. Let's go to the Vue2 app. Let's open it in the Explorer. So here again we need to make the changes to the configuration so that it can support the Systemjs. So I am copying that change and putting it to the Vue config of the Vue2 app. Now I am going to build the application. So the application has been built, and if you go here you can see the dist folder. So here again I am going to host our application on the port 8002, and in the index.ejs we can add our application. So I am naming it as Vue2 app, which is running on the port 8002. Now let's go to our microfrontend layout.html, and here I am going to add two links, one which will route to the Vue2 application and the default one which will route to our Vue3 application. So here I am going to create a new route. I am giving the route name as Vue2 and the application name will be Vue2-app, and here I am giving the mode as hash so that we can use the hash mode. So once we have done this, let's refresh our application. So by default it will be going to the Vue3 application, Now when I click on the Vue2 application, you can see that a different Vue application that is based on Vue2 has been loaded. Similarly, when I click on the Vue3, it will revert back to the Vue3 application. So in this way, we will be able to create micro applications out of Vue.js, let it be either Vue2 or Vue3, and embed them by making use of the single spa. Hope you are able to get a clear understanding about how you can integrate Vue.js micro frontends in single spa. See you soon. Thank you.